Bharti Singh. The name brings a smile to your face, right? She's the queen of laughter. We love her for her jokes and her infectious energy. But did you know Bharti is also a star in the kitchen? She loves to cook, and her recipes are as heartwarming as her personality. Bharti often shares glimpses of her culinary skills on social media. From simple, home-cooked meals to elaborate dishes, she does it all. Fans love her down-to-earth approach to food. She makes cooking look fun and easy. It's no wonder people are eager to try her recipes. One dish that Bharti absolutely swears by is Dal Parantha. This isn't your ordinary paratha, it's a delicious combination of lentils and bread. Packed with flavor and nutrition, it's a meal in itself. Bharti's Dal Parantha recipe is special. It's a taste of her Punjabi heritage. She learned it from her family. Now she's sharing this treasured recipe with the world. Number 1. A taste of Punjab. Dal Parantha is a staple in Punjabi cuisine. It's a flatbread stuffed with a spiced lentil filling. This dish is a beautiful example of how simple ingredients can create something extraordinary. It's comfort food at its best. Imagine this, a crispy golden brown parantha. You break it open and the aroma of spices fills the air. Inside you find a soft, flavorful lentil filling. It's a treat for your taste buds. Number 2. Wholesome goodness. What makes Dal Parantha truly special is its wholesomeness. It's packed with protein and carbohydrates, making it a fulfilling meal. The lentils provide essential nutrients. The spices add flavor and aroma. You can enjoy Dal Parantha for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's a versatile dish that can be paired with yogurt, pickle, or even a dollop of butter. No matter how you enjoy it, Dal Parantha is sure to satisfy your hunger. Number 3. Bharti's secret ingredient. Bharti's Dal Parantha recipe stands out because of her secret ingredient, love. She believes that food cooked with love always tastes better, and that's evident in her recipe. Bharti puts her heart and soul into her cooking. She uses fresh, high-quality ingredients, she follows her family's traditional recipe with care, and most importantly, she infuses every step with her infectious enthusiasm. Number 4. The dough's the thing. Let's get our hands messy and make Bharti's special Dal Parantha. This traditional Indian flatbread is a family favorite and perfect for any meal. First, we start with the dough. It's the foundation of our paratha, so we need to get it just right. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of whole wheat flour. This is the base that gives the paratha its hearty texture. This gives the paratha a lovely, earthy flavor. Whole wheat flour is not only nutritious, but also adds a rustic taste. Add a pinch of salt for taste and a tablespoon of oil for softness. The oil helps in making the dough more pliable and easier to work with. Now slowly add water and knead the dough. Be patient and add the water gradually to get the right consistency. Bharti's tip: knead it for at least 5 minutes. This ensures the dough is well mixed and smooth. This helps to develop the gluten, making the parathas soft and pliable. The more you knead, the better the texture. The dough should be smooth and elastic. It should bounce back when you press it lightly. Cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for about 30 minutes. This resting period is crucial. This allows the gluten to relax, making it easier to roll out the parathas later. A well-rested dough is much more manageable. While the dough rests, let's prepare our star ingredient, the delicious lentil filling. This filling is packed with protein and flavor. This is what takes our parathas from ordinary to extraordinary. The lentil filling adds a unique twist and makes it a wholesome meal. Number 5. Lentil love. For the filling, we'll use a mix of masoor dal, red lentils, and moong dal, yellow lentils. These lentils not only add a beautiful color to our dish, but also bring a variety of textures and flavors that make the filling rich and satisfying. Rinse 1 cup of each lentil thoroughly under running water. This step is crucial as it helps to remove any dirt, dust, or small stones that might be present. This removes any impurities and also helps to soften the lentils, making them easier to cook and digest. In a pressure cooker, combine the lentils with 3 cups of water, a pinch of turmeric powder, and salt to taste. The turmeric not only adds a lovely golden hue, but also has anti-inflammatory properties. Pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles, or until the lentils are soft and mushy. This usually takes about 10-15 minutes depending on your pressure cooker. Bharti says, don't overcook the lentils, or they will become watery. You want them to be soft, but still hold some shape. Once the pressure releases naturally, open the cooker and mash the lentils coarsely using a potato masher or the back of a spoon. This step is important to achieve the right texture. You want some texture in the filling, not a smooth paste. The coarsely mashed lentils will give a nice bite to the filling. Now let's add some flavor. The spices will elevate the taste of the lentils and make the filling aromatic and delicious. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan and add cumin seeds, finely chopped onions, ginger garlic paste, and green chilies. Sauté until fragrant. The cumin seeds will crackle and release their aroma while the onions turn golden brown. Then add turmeric powder, red chili powder, and garam masala. These spices will add depth and warmth to the filling. Fry for a minute until the spices release their aroma. This step is crucial as it helps to bloom the spices and enhance their flavors. Finally, add the mashed lentils and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, stirring continuously. This allows the lentils to absorb the flavors of the spices. The lentil filling is now ready. It should be fragrant, flavorful, and have a slightly chunky texture. Set it aside to cool. Cooling the filling will make it easier to handle and use in your recipes. Number 6. Rolling into deliciousness. Our dough has rested and our filling is ready. The dough has had enough time to become soft and pliable, perfect for rolling out. The lentil filling, rich and flavorful, is also prepped and waiting to be encased in the dough. Time to roll out some delicious parathas. This is where the magic happens, transforming simple ingredients into a mouth-watering dish. First, divide the dough into equal-sized balls. This ensures that each paratha is uniform in size and cooks evenly. Take one ball and flatten it slightly with your palm. This initial flattening makes it easier to roll out the dough later. Dust the rolling surface and the dough ball with some dry flour. This prevents the dough from sticking and makes rolling smoother. Roll it out into a small circle about 4 to 5 inches in diameter. This is just the right size to hold the filling without breaking. Now place a spoonful of the lentil filling in the center of the circle. Be generous but careful not to overfill, as it might spill out during rolling. Bring the edges of the dough together to enclose the filling completely. This step is crucial to ensure the filling stays inside while cooking. Pinch and twist the edges to seal it tightly. A well-sealed paratha keeps the filling intact and prevents it from leaking out. Bharti has a trick. If you find it difficult to seal the edges, you can use a little water to moisten them. This helps the dough stick together better. Once sealed, flatten the stuffed ball gently with your palm. This helps distribute the filling evenly inside the dough. Dust it with flour again and roll it out into a thin circle about 7 to 8 inches in diameter. Rolling it thin ensures it cooks evenly and gets a nice crispy texture. The key is to roll it evenly, ensuring the filling is spread throughout. An evenly rolled paratha cooks better and tastes delicious in every bite. Number 7. Parantha perfection. Now comes the fun part, cooking the parathas. Heat a flat griddle or tawa over medium heat. Once hot, place the rolled out paratha on it. Cook for a minute or until you see small bubbles appearing on the surface. Flip the paratha and cook the other side. Apply some oil or ghee on the cooked side and flip again. Press gently with a spatula and cook until both sides are golden brown and crispy. The aroma of the cooking parathas will fill your kitchen, making your tummy rumble. Repeat the process with the remaining dough balls and filling. And there you have it, Bharti Singh's special dal parathas, ready to be devoured. Stack them up on a plate and get ready to enjoy a taste of Punjab. Number 8. Bharti's wisdom. Bharti believes that cooking is all about love and laughter. She says when you cook with a smile it shows in the food. And she's right, so put on your apron, gather your ingredients, and let's create some magic in the kitchen Bharti style. Bharti's recipes are known for their simplicity and deliciousness. She believes in using fresh, readily available ingredients. She encourages everyone to experiment in the kitchen and not be afraid to tweak recipes to their liking. Number 9. Dough-lightful tips. Bharti emphasizes the importance of kneading the dough well. Kneading is like a workout for the dough, she says. The more you knead, the softer and more pliable it becomes. So, don't be shy. Give your dough a good workout for at least 5 minutes. Another tip from Bharti is to let the dough rest for at least 30 minutes after kneading. This allows the gluten to relax, making it easier to roll out the parathas. While the dough rests, You can prepare the filling or simply relax and enjoy a cup of chai. Number 10. Filling it up right. Bharti's secret to a flavorful lentil filling is using a combination of masoor dal or red lentils and moong dal or yellow lentils. This blend creates a perfect balance of texture and taste. She also emphasizes not overcooking the lentils. Overcooked lentils will make the filling watery, she warns. When it comes to spices, Bharti believes in using them generously. She says, spices add life to the food. She encourages experimenting with different spice blends to find your perfect flavor profile. Don't be afraid to add a pinch of this or that to create your signature taste. Number 11. Parantha Perfection Secrets. Bharti's secret to perfectly cooked parathas is using medium heat and cooking them evenly on both sides. She recommends applying oil or ghee on the cooked side for extra flavor and crispiness. She also suggests pressing the parathas gently with a spatula while cooking to ensure they puff up nicely. And finally, Bharti's most important tip for making delicious dal parathas is to cook them with love. Food cooked with love always tastes better, she says. So, put on your happy face, turn up the music, and enjoy the process of creating something truly special in your kitchen. Number 12. A symphony of textures. Imagine this. You pick up a dal parantha, its warmth radiating through your fingers. The first bite is a revelation. The outer layer, crisp and golden brown, crackles delicately. As your teeth sink deeper, you encounter the soft, yielding layers within. It's a delightful contrast of textures, a testament to Bharti's careful recipe and cooking techniques. But the symphony doesn't end there. The lentil filling provides another layer of texture. It's not a smooth paste, but a delightful concoction with a slight bite to it. You can discern the individual lentils, each coated in a medley of spices. Number 13. The Flavor Fiesta. And oh, the flavors. The moment you break open a dal parantha, a fragrant cloud of spices envelops you. The earthy aroma of cumin seeds mingles with the warmth of turmeric and the subtle heat of chili powder. The ginger and garlic add a sharp, invigorating note, while the garam masala brings everything together in a harmonious blend. Each bite is an explosion of flavor. The crispy outer layer offers a hint of nuttiness, enhanced by the oil or ghee it's cooked in. Then comes the soft, yielding dough, infused with the subtler flavors of the spices. Number 14. A culinary hug. Bharti Singh's Dal Parantha is more than just a dish. It's an experience. It's a culinary hug, a warm and comforting reminder of home and family. The flavors transport you to Bharti's own kitchen, where laughter and love are the main ingredients. Whether you enjoy it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this Dal Parantha is sure to satisfy. Pair it with a dollop of creamy yogurt for a cooling contrast, or add a tangy pickle for an extra zing. Each bite is a celebration of simple, wholesome ingredients transformed into something truly extraordinary. Number 15. Beyond the bite. Bharti Singh's Dal Parantha is a testament to the power of food to connect us. It's a reminder that the most cherished recipes are often passed down through generations, carrying with them stories, traditions, and a whole lot of love. It's a dish that brings people together, sparking conversations and creating memories around the dinner table. And that's the true magic of Bharti's recipe. It nourishes not just the body, but also the soul. Number 16. A recipe for joy. Bharti Singh's Dal Parantha recipe is more than just a set of instructions. It's an invitation. It's a call to experience the joy of creating something delicious with your own hands, to fill your kitchen with enticing aromas, and to gather loved ones around the table for a taste of something truly special. Don't be intimidated by the steps involved. Bharti's recipe is surprisingly simple, even for beginner cooks. The process itself is therapeutic. The rhythmic kneading of the dough, the sizzle of spices in hot oil, the satisfying transformation of simple ingredients into golden brown parathas. Number 17. Your culinary adventure awaits. So what are you waiting for? Gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and embark on a culinary adventure guided by the laughter and warmth of Bharti Singh. As you knead, roll, and cook, remember Bharti's words, Cooking is all about love and laughter. Let your kitchen become a space of creativity and joy. Don't be afraid to experiment, to add your personal touch to the recipe. After all, the best recipes are those that are made with love and shared with those we care about. Number 18, share the love, share the paranthas. Once you've experienced the magic of Bharti Singh's Dal Paranthas, share the love. Invite friends and family over, set your table with warmth and care, and watch as your loved ones savor each bite of your homemade creation. The aroma of freshly cooked parathas wafting through your home will be a siren call, drawing everyone together. And as you share stories and laughter over plates piled high with these delicious parathas, you'll create memories that are as warm and comforting as the dish itself. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.